Now, as you can see from these shots, we've got everything out of the way. Windows down, the T-roofs are out, the seats are out of the way, everything's ready to go together. There's the parts we were talking about, the interior light, the screws, all those pieces are right there. So as soon as our extra set of hands arrives, we'll get started on installing it. Shouldn't take long, 15-20 minutes, and we'll have a completed headliner in, and then it's down to figuring out what we're doing about the seats.
Open that window.
Okay, now we're going to put the headliner in. It's a two-person job. It's not difficult. Shouldn't take too long, and we'll give you a little rundown. Now, it's the reverse procedure of taking it out, so it's just a matter of patience and taking your time. Okay, let's grab.
Is it still filming?
Yep.
Got it. So, I'm assuming all of them's in, right? Yeah. Got it. Syrup? How much?
If the shoulder's down, that's okay.
The shoulder of what?
Like keeping your down.
Why aren't you finding showing your face?
Because I'm so beautiful. Nobody can handle it.
Now, swing your end in.
How do you know which side goes where?
Because I took it out.
Ah.
Okay, watch out.
Okay.
Hold that for me.
Do I have a pocket? I'll just put it in my pocket. Good.
Head her behind the seatbelt.
Look at the beautiful little baby.
The seatbelt in.
Aww. No? No, you ran away? Okay.
Who are you talking to? What?
Baby. The cuteness.
She's sad.
Perfect. Yeah, she's very sad. She wants to get in, but she can't. Poor little baby. Oh. She wants to be with us. She wants to be with her hand. Poor baby. Oh. She's so with her little baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on.
It's your thing.
He's for a bit.
You said it's like.
That's your side that's like. I learned not to ever say that. Swap sides?
Or should I get in the back?
No, just swap sides.
Then I have to show the camera my ass, and I'm not happy with that.
Baby, look a little sad. Not with much space. So I opened the gate to the front lawn. So now she can travel freely. Yay.
Can you kind of watch her a little?
Okay. I know that she can't do that.
No, but she
Oh.
might get into something.
But she still wants to be with us.
Yeah, well, she can.
Hey, Doug.
Poor little baby.
Andy.
Got some overtime here?
Yeah. Is that your lunch?
No, delivery boy.
Poor baby. She just wants to be with us.
Where's
Oh,
the back?
she wants to be with the pad. Oh. Poor baby. Poor baby. Poor baby. Poor baby.
Your daughter was basically walked to the car to get your tires.
What?
And I said you should drive me back to the car. It'd be faster if you walk.
Who?
Your sister.
It'd be faster if you walked.
She told me it'd be faster if I walked back to her. So if I would have been back in time, she would have driven me back.
How far was
Well, it
it?
wasn't that far.
Why was Slither with you?
Because she had some mail, and I wanted to go to Kingsway, and she didn't really want to come all the way here to get her mail, and I didn't want to go all the way to her place to give her her mail.
So you
check
met
something-
her?
I wanted to check something at Kingsway anyway. Is she
Baby.
being pathetic?
Yeah. She's trying to stick her little nose through the gate.
Here, I'm trying.
What?
Here, I'm trying.
Oh my. What have I done?
Here.
Oh, she's doing it again. Oh. There, Gracie's being pathetic.
That's nice.
Look how cute she is. Oh. She loves being pathetic.
She's good at it.
Very. Oh, what? Oh, well, that's perfect. The
What?
skull thing's decaying.
No, it was like that when you got it.
No, like it's decaying.
I know, but it was already picking apart when I gave it to Zeg. And since Zeg's been doing it, it's getting worse and worse. So don't worry about it. It was from the dollar store.
A good amount of it fell off in my pocket.
Oh, well, anyway, it's not that consistent. It was only from the dollar store.
I'm gonna check on Baby. Yeah, he's walking over to a different yard. Being adorable. Isn't she cute?
I'm gonna go to the front door and see if she can get in that way.
Oh. Poor little baby. Just wants to be happy with her family. And if she can't be happy with family,
Well, hi,
then
Julie.
she will
We did.
Got things.
try eat, but cannot. What do you think is a TA, Mom?
I always have to agree with you. I'm not wild about the color. But it's okay.
We're gonna restore the color.
I know.
Like, this is, the reason why we have this color is because it's a
I
stock.
dreamed we got 15 acres.
Uh-huh.
It's a stock.
And then we decided to get one of those shipping containers and bury it. And make a bunch. But we were having problems with ventilation. Couldn't make the ventilation pipe.
Is there anything I could safely use to be able to, like, get mosquitoes away?
Here at home.
Like, could I use some marigold or something?
Oh. They're not biting you.
They're trying. They're trying, all right.
They're not like that. Sweet moving.
I am. One was right freaking here when I was moving.
Oh.
Even when I was moving, it stayed there until I swatted it. What?
Nothing. So we're gonna go to the dog park or we're gonna...
Dog park. Huh. So I want mosquito repellent of some sort. Like witch hazel or something. Because sweet baby knows. You know? Did you know that I can fit in the back?
Yes, we do, Daniel. Thank you.
Groceries can fit in the back too.
Here's something that I'm equal to groceries. I'm not equal to groceries. Groceries are for eating. Children are not.
Groceries are for eating children?
No, children are not.
Oh.
Who's that?
There he goes.
Huh?
He's picking his nose looking at some kid. And he just put it in his mouth.
Hey!
You did it. I watched you.
We're cutting that out. We are cutting that noise out.
We're leaving it in the film.
It looked like it. It didn't happen.
Everything we're doing here is real.
Everything is real except for that. She's trying to troll me. She's trying to trick all you. Lies.
You never know who's watching, bud.
What?
You never know who's watching, so don't do that.
Well, play that well done.
Especially the eating part.
Let's see if we can sneak that in while we do this.
Anywhere.
In that slit. Oh, you got it.
They won't be much longer, but this doesn't really go like these two. Yeah. No, but I mean, it's baby.
Baby's just being happy on the front porch. And being lazy. Mostly lazy.
Okay, you're done.
Okay, I'm taking the board. I'm gonna
Yep.
everybody.
Yep.
Sorry,
One
baby.
furry baby.
Happy monkey baby.
Happy monkey people.
Happy monkey baby. Happy monkey. Happy monkey. Doubt it.
Go. And there we go. She's all in. A little bit of massaging to do yet, but as you can see, she's all come together. Not that hard, about 15 minutes. And probably another 10 to do a little massaging. Then our headliner's in, here on Real Builds. And here we go. Now that all the panels are fitted back in, everything blends together nicely. And while I will admit, if the budget had been there, I would have gone with the ABS headliner, but considering how little we've got invested in this one and how good it looks, I'm personally pretty happy. The lower panels that we redid have turned out great. Seat belts slip right where they're supposed to. Fit and finish is good. We're in good shape. So, seeing as we haven't figured out what to do with the seats yet, the next step will be the dash repair. And we'll take that on tomorrow here on Real Builds. Take care now. Bye-bye. And one last look before we stroke off this project. Here we have a shot with the T-roofs on. And in the end, the $45 investment turned out quite well. Especially when you clean everything up. You know, we redid these panels as well, just to get it to blend together, and you see how nicely it all ties together now. And that's what you're trying to do when you're building a theme. Everybody's got a different idea what they want their car to look like. But you can see how giving a little bit of thought as to how it's going together and the colors that are going in makes a big difference in how it looks down the road. So, until we start on the dash, that's it from Real Builds.